Hey, what's up, guys? Predator here. I would like to share how I made my costume. So guys, this helmet is made of fiberglass. With a half-face helmet. And the armor is made of motocross protector. I just put a cardboard, made it to like a back armor. And this is a toy gun from a thrift store. And this is made of flower vase. Cut the bottom, put some yoga mat and paint it. And my gloves, I put the other way, supposed to be like that, and paint it. Put some nails. You can buy it on Halloween shop. And some plastic skull. And this is the one I put it on my neck. And for the waist, these are cardboard. Glue it together and paint it. Put some belt, leather belt, scrap leather. I got it from a thrift store. This is our, like, I think it's a leather suit for women. So I just got it. And there's also a cardboard, as you can see. And for the knee, I just use a motorcycle knee pads and put this. I don't know what this is called, but I also got it from the thrift store, just to cover the pad like that. And for the feet, this is a King Kong gloves. Put some silicone and paint it to made it like a Predator feet. We put some nail, just like the one in my gloves. And for the gauntlet, It's like a yoga mat, a thick one. Cut it into like a knife. I think this is this is an old toy. Glue it together. And this one is the flower vase, like on my other hand. Put some leather that I got it from here. And also the one I use, I think it's a fish net stocking, and this is spandex alien skin. And for my body, I just use a what do you call it? Any long sleeve will work. The cotton. So that's an old toy. Cardboards for the shoulders. And that was it, guys. So you can make your own Predator helmet. I mean armor. But you can get it from your home, or thrift store. So you can make your own costume made of junk stuff, like you will get it from your house or something. Go to thrift store and look for anything that you can put. I guess. All right.